Makita, famous for their outdoor power tools and their saws and drills and what have you. So, so now Makita made a lawnmower and a few gas trimmers and generators. So this is the cordless model. This is UM401D. That's the model number. So it's 24 volts. So that's two 12-volt car batteries fused together, and the battery's about $200. So that's 40 centimeters. That's a swath. So that's 16 inches. That's the fleet number. So we have there's the stats. Just like you see Makita power tools, DC 24 volts. 24 volts. That will power most of my fire alarms, except my 4040. And we have, I guess that's the RPMs, 3,800 per minute. Ooh, nice number, 3,800. So this was manufactured in April of 1997. So this is a 97 model. So then we have the gauges. So that's the switch, the key. That's where you charge the battery. You got your empty full gauge like in cars, and this is the reset button if your lawnmower won't start. So I just cut my grass, unfortunately. So I used to have a video but it got lost, so I'll just do a little demo of it. So we'll turn on. And these Aussie mosquitoes are out. Oh, before I show you the blade. 16-inch plastic deck. It needs to be sharpened. So, see how it sounds. 24 volts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'll just do a little demo how it cuts. So stop it just like gas powered models. Just let go of the bar. Or if you want to do it the electrical way, which is I think it's so cool to hear, the wind down. Here's the motor, very quiet, and turn it off. That's it. I like this machine. It's a pity though that the battery lasts only for 2 hours, so it's not good to cut the grass when it's very tall, because it discharges the battery and it takes about 4 hours to charge it. So it sucks though. But it's good to use it once in a while, you know, to save gas. You know, like the prices are $1.45 a liter, whatever, $1.50, and it's so expensive. Yeah, so like, rather use this once in a while, you know, to save some gas. Like, usually my car, it's like I pay about $35, $40 a week, and my lawnmower is like maybe $50 a week. So this is a nice lawnmower though. It's the only Makita model that I've seen before in Canada. I don't know if Makita made other machines, but I've seen some trimmers. They go like for like $400 or so. So I'm gonna go back inside the house. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. It's perfect year for mosquitoes with the bad winter we had. A lot of snow. Yeah, so See you later. Bye.